A super tasty chicken filling and asparagus are wrapped in potstickers, pan-fried until golden brown, and steamed until completely cooked through.
If you like potstickers, this will become your new favorite recipe. Let's get started!
In a large mixing bowl, add the chicken. You can also replace it with other types of protein. And chicken stock. You could also use water. By doing so, our filling is going to be super tender and juicy. Mix together until the chicken absorbs all the liquid. Then add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, white pepper, sesame oil, and egg. Mix well. Lastly, add the fresh shiitake mushrooms and scallions. Mix. Here we have some gyoza wrappers. You can also replace them with dumpling wrappers. Place a gyoza wrapper flat. Scoop about a teaspoon of the filling in the center and top it with a piece of asparagus. You can also use other types of vegetables. Brush some water at the top and bottom edges. Seal the top and bottom edges together. And do the same with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. And place in the potstickers. Pan fry until the bottom is lightly brown. 1 minute. To prevent splattering, cover the lid halfway and pour the water into the pan. Cover the lid completely. Steam until the water is mostly evaporated for 7 minutes. In a bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar. You can also replace it with other types of vinegar, and chili oil. At the end of this episode, I'd like to share with you a quote from my daughter's favorite storybook, The Sour Grape by Jory John. If you look at things in the right sort of way, if you remember to be kind, considerate, forgiving, and grateful, life really can be pretty sweet. And I totally agree with it. When we fill every day with compassion and gratitude, that's when we will realize our life is the sweetest. Happy cooking and enjoy!
It is absolutely delicious. The bottom is crispy, the filling is super juicy. I love it. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. I'll see you again soon. Bye!